Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji, located on Honshu Island, is the highest mountain in Japan at 3,776.24 meters. An active stratovolcano that last erupted in 1707-8. Mount Fuji lies about 100 kilometers southwest of Tokyo and can be seen from there on a clear day. Elevation of Mount Fuji is 3,776 meters. The last eruption is December 16, 1707. The first ascent is 663 AD and the prominence is also 3,776 meters. This is the view of Shinjuku skyscrapers and Mount Fuji as seen from the Bunyoku Civic Center in Tokyo. This is the last eruption of Mount Fuji was on December 16, 1707. Thanks for watching.